Dee Dee Bean here. How you doing today? Thank you so much for joining me. It has been a long time and I'm so sorry. I'm finally starting to feel a little bit better. I'm starting to kind of get back to my old self. I'm still not 100%, so please forgive me if I'm not doing too well during this video, but I want to get this out. Today is Thursday the 22nd of August, and I did a live today, and so this is kind of late after the live. I took a little bit of rest, went to dinner with the family, rested a little while, and then now I need to get this out. This is Dooney Bag of the Month. Yay! I know it's a long time coming, a long time coming. I'm sorry about that. I'm sure those of you who already wanted to buy the bag or thought about buying the bag have already done it. And hopefully y'all got to see Tara's Boutique's unboxing. But I wanted to make sure and get this out, especially since I didn't do one for July. I definitely wanted to do this one from August, and it's a special one. It's a very special one because Tara and I always try and buy the bag of the month. I'm not sure how much longer we're going to be doing that, but we buy the bag of the month, and we always try to see if we are going to get the same things or not. And oh, I have two things in here. Ooh, I have a surprise. You know what? It's been so long, I forgot what I bought. But guess what, y'all? Can y'all tell? We got the same color this month. We got the same color this month. We sure did. We both got green. I've been really into the greens, the olive greens, and olive green is her favorite color, is Tara's favorite color. And I wasn't thinking about that. I saw this in the bag of the month options, and I was like, definitely going to get it. I put it in my cart and everything, and then later on I thought, oh, I bet you we got the same bag. And we sure did. So we both got the green. And let's see if it says on here, it's actually Ivy. It's called Ivy. And this is the Florentine Rosy Crossbody is what it is. And it's just a beautiful bag. It's nice and small. It's, I'm sure, too small for Tara. A lot of times what she does with these is she takes the straps off. I know, she cuts the straps off. And then she turns these into her carry-all pouch, or even a wallet that she uses as a wallet. It's not going to stand up very well. It's not going to stand up very well. Let me see if I can I take this off and take the strap off. This is number 16 out of 75. 16 out of 75. I love when it's a numbered piece. Let's see. This actually looks like, because it's not in the original wrapping that I'm aware of, unless it's a like old backstock, which could be because they have been pulling out some backstocks that I've noticed. And okay, so this is not a detachable, but it is a not a detachable, but it is a adjustable. My brain's not working. My brain still has the little bit of the COVID fog. So this is, I'm going to put it back on where Dooney normally has it set perfectly for my crossbody. Oh, it feels like it. Oh, it feels like it might be a little. Oh no, it's perfect. Yes, it is. It's perfect for me. I like that. I like that a lot. And of course, it can make it into a shoulder bag. I'm not. Let's see. This is there has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 holes, and I have it to the second to the last hole. So it would be a very short, no, a very long, a long shoulder bag, because there's only one more to make it shorter. Yeah. So the shoulder bag, yeah, it'd be way too long for me as a shoulder bag. In fact, it's still a crossbody on the shortest setting. But you can make holes, put holes in it if you'd like to carry it as a shoulder bag, and there's plenty of room that you could put your holes in it. Just use one of those little machinies thingies, which I have, real easy to use. I really, really wish that they would make all of their bags or crossbodies, everything detachable, so that if you need it to be shorter, you can you know, put a different strap on it, or if you need it longer, you can add to it. It just really would make it a lot better, a lot better. Let me get this back in view. Okay, so it's a gorgeous, gorgeous bag. It's Florentine leather. It has, I love, this is my favorite logo right here. So here's the front, here's the side, here's the back. It has a nice, generous back pocket. Here's the other side. Here is the bottom. There is the top. It has a gorgeous, I'm not sure if I showed it, the gorgeous braided zipper pull. Love that. There's the stuffing. Let me get the stuffing out of the way. Oops. Everything's popping out. And it has a dust bag, yay. Has the red lining on the inside. It has the one zipper pocket in the back here, and then in the front is one full slip pocket. Okay, so here's my cell phone cover that I can use, and on the back pocket, we'll start with the back pocket. It does fit all the way across in the back pocket. I have there we go. Okay, I have the iPhone 14 Pro Max, so it's pretty much one of the biggest ones, and it fits all the way across. This is how it looks like if it sticks out, which I'm okay with that. I like to do that. The little, okay, I don't really like how this lining feels. It feels kind of, I don't know, like papery or plasticky. What sounds like plasticky. Like there's paper in it or something. And it's the same on the inside. Yeah, I don't quite like that. Dooney, don't like that. Don't like that at all. Yeah, don't like what you did with the new lining. Don't like that at all. My phone case will not fit in the front slot here, and will it fit in? And it won't fit in the zipper slot either. But it definitely will fit in the cavity of the bag here. So you have two areas for the phone, which, you know, back here, the back pocket is excellent, especially when it's a small bag. You can have your cell phone in the back and it'll be perfect. And then you can, of course, keep it in the inside of the bag. Here is the zipper pull, and with the little dog leash clip, I like to call it that. And it's just a cute little bag. Okay, so it is a cute little bag, and the cost of it was $75. So it was a great bag of the month price. We still have probably about a week left. I highly recommend the price point and the bag. The inside of the bag, the lining, they have changed the lining, so just beware of that. For the price point, I'm not too upset about it, but I don't really like it. I'm gonna have to see if how it wears, how that wears. But I just love Florentine or a nice cute little crossbody Florentine. This also be a great Christmas present. They have all different kind of colors. I haven't looked to see what's left, but they had several colors in it. So if you want to introduce somebody into a Dooney Bourke, this would be a great start-up bag for them. Or if you want to do like a lot of times, a lot of the Dooney experts do, and they turn this into a pouch and they take this off. Or you can use it like me and just use it as a crossbody for those just quick days when you just need something quick, easy to run in and out, and on a light day, or when you just need a small amount of stuff. It's a great bag for that. $75 price point, perfect. We're gonna set that aside and we're gonna open this up. I don't remember, it's been a while since I ordered this. I mean, I ordered it on midnight, well, 2 o'clock in the morning, August the 1st. And then I've been sick with so many things that I don't remember what I ordered. I don't remember what I ordered. Let's see. I love Dooney Bourke has the little boxes, so I think it's a wallet. It must be a wallet. Oh, it's pretty. It's very pretty. What's it called? Let's see if it's on here. It is the Faye phone wristlet in the color for Cynthia, Forsythia, for Cynthia, yellow, also known as yellow, yeah, now I remember. I hate to play shipping, and 2 months ago, I didn't buy it in July, but 2 months ago I didn't buy one, and it killed me to have to pay that shipping. So this time I wanted to make sure and get something, and this was on sale for $56.25, and they don't normally have the prices on here anymore, which I don't like that. I like to know what the original price is without having to looking it up. But I don't know if my phone is going to fit in here. It's here it is. It's a phone wristlet case, front, side, back, the other side. Then you open it up, and here are your credit cards, or whatever kind of cards you want to put there. And then here is for the cell phone. It might fit. Let's see. So I have, again, the 14 Pro Max. It is gonna fit. Yay. Perfect. Look, it fits in there. Perfect. Okay, so this is gonna come in real handy. Perfect. So this will be great for the fall season's coming up. We have baseball season starting up, so this will be nice little phone wristlet. I can keep some cards in here, some cash in here, and it's a cute color. I really like that. Now I wish I got another color as well too. Now that I know that my cell phone will fit in it, I will probably invest in more. So you can always use this just as a wallet, and I mean, your cell phone fits in here, fits in here perfect, but you can always put bills or whatever kind of stuff and just use it as a wallet, but then that you can put your cell phone in it. And it's a great addition to my collection, and it's a new accessory for me from Dooney Bourke. I love the color. So and that kind of goes good together. Also too, what I like to use things like this is a bag in a bag. So I would probably have a big bag, a tote bag maybe, or a larger bag that I would go out and about with, and then I would keep this so that if I walk into the concession stand, or if I get off and we go into the ice house and I don't want to take my whole bag with me, I just pull this out. It has my cell phone in it, has my cards in it, some cash, and I can just go into the store and come back out, because you always need to get something at the ice house before you go on an adventure. All right, Bean Beauties, thank you so much for coming by and visiting. Here is, once again, the Dooney Bag of the Month. It is the Dooney Bag of the Month for August 2024. It's the Rosy Crossbody in Ivy, and Tara and I from Tara's Boutique are twinning this month. Yay, we finally did it. Got the same color. And then here is my, so I don't have to pay shipping. It is the Faye phone wristlet in Florencia, yellow, also known as yellow. It holds the iPhone 14 Pro Max, and it is a great buy. Alrighty, Bean Beauties, thank you so much for coming by. Thank you everybody for all the well wishes and for standing by me. All of those of you who have subscribed to me over the summer, it means the world to me for y'all to do that. Thank you so much. I don't think I'm gonna quite meet my goal of hitting 1,010 by the end of the summer, but you know, that's okay. I'm not gonna give up. I'm not gonna give up. I'm going to kind of change my thinking and kind of go ahead and do some other things. So some things I was kind of waiting on for the to try to reach my goal, I might just go ahead and launch some other things I've been working on without reaching my goal, and we'll just go from there, and it is what it is, right? But thank you so much for standing by me through this illness time. I'm doing much better. Thank you so much. I'm not 100%, not close. I'm probably maybe 20%, but I am doing the best that I can, and thank you so much for those of you who have joined me. Love y'all so much. Love you, Bean Beauties. Thank you. Bye-bye.